Chapter 232, Beach Robots. We thank the company The Serial Cleaners and their partner in the US, Muller, for the authorization to use their video material. By this example, we wish to show how an automatic beach cleanup for small particles is possible. So this is an autonomous machine that rides on the beach with a remote control. Inside this machine, the sand is pushed onto an inclined screen. And it falls down through the screen. The impurities stay on the screen and are collected inside. So the idea is to clean the surface of such a sand beach. This machine works only on sand beaches. The height differences must stay limited, and it only works for small pieces. The remote control permits to have intervention at any time, and for this application it can be very useful to do a lot of surface in a limited time.